We lose sleep over tomorrow. Will I get that job? Will my family be okay? Will I survive what's coming? But here's the truth. You don't control tomorrow. Allah already does. Allah says,
وَلِلَّهِ غَيْبُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَإِلَيْهِ يُرْجَعُ الْأَمْرُ كُلُّهُ فَاعْبُدْهُ وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَيْهِ وَمَا رَبُّكَ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ.
And to Allah belongs the unseen of the heavens and the earth, and to Him will be returned all matters. So worship Him and put your trust in Him. This means your future is not chaos. It's already written, perfectly, in His plan. The reason we panic is because we try to carry tomorrow's burdens today. But Tawakkul teaches, you live one day at a time. Do your best now, and trust Allah with what you cannot see. Think of a seed in the ground. It doesn't know what tomorrow holds. But Allah knows exactly when the rain will fall. When the sun will shine, when it will bloom. That's your life too. Your rizq, your spouse, your opportunities, all written. Worrying won't bring them faster. Trusting Allah will bring you peace until they arrive. Comment, I trust Allah with my future. Save this reminder for nights when your mind won't stop worrying. Follow for more Quranic healing and hope.